What up, people? We're heading up to the mountains in the desert to take some photos today. I realized my social media game has been kind of a little shaky lately, you know? I've been putting out lots of vlogs, not tons of photos. And so I'm taking the day to drive, just kind of like get away, you know, do some soul searching, bust out some cameras, take some pics. It's gonna be a lot of fun. I'm gonna just keep getting all my gear, which, well, actually, that's it. But we'll hit the road here in 1 minute. Let's get down there. All right, guys, loaded into the car, and our first stop is going to be the town of Wrightwood. So yeah, let's time lapse our way up into the mountains. So I pulled off of the freeway, so you can see we got the mountains over there, and it looks like we got a pretty cool area up ahead with some desert conditions. So I'm gonna see if we can find a little spot to take some pics. Let's see what we got here. Yeah, I don't know. Okay, yeah, this doesn't seem wise to me. I think I'm gonna turn around. Oh no. Come on. Oh, you're so close. Yes. Woo! Gnarly. All right, so we'll find another place to pull off and try again. Okay, I think I found a spot that could give us some desert looks. If you look out this direction, it's nice and brown and all of that, and it's very pretty. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna get my tripod strapped to the old backpack, and we're gonna make our way that way and see if we can find a location to snap a few pics. Man, it's absolutely beautiful out, and it's so cool to see kind of the dry conditions over here and then the snow on this side. This would be a really cool picture. Should we do it? Let's do it. It's a good spot. Now, when it comes to actual like photography and adventure photography, the things that I usually look for are background. You know, you want to have a really pretty background, obviously, and for me, I really like how here we've got the green here with some of the touches of snow, but we also have the snow in the background on that further ridge. You also want to look for a good place to place your subject, and in this case it's me. And so I really love this little stone structure here, and I also love how we have the tree here. It's a nice framing element. Let's just take a little sample one. We're gonna pop on our timer. See how it looks. There's nothing that's like insanely amazing about this picture, but I like it. It definitely has some good range of color, some good framing elements, and the scenery just looks stunning. So I'm sold on this one. We're gonna take one like this, and then we're gonna get in a little closer. All right, now you guys can see that these last few really utilized the portrait mode nicely. If you look, I'm in focus and the background is blurred out. That's really what you're going for. So I like these a lot better than these, even though these are also solid. But yeah, those look great. I'm happy with this location. It's beautiful, and right there I've got a few shots that are gonna be perfect for my Instagram. All right, we're back in the car. Gonna keep driving. See if we can't find some real snow now. right, you guys, so we are gonna take a little lunch break. We're gonna go up this gravel road. I've been on it before. It leads up into these mountains and then over the other side. Got some more snow. Let's plow through it. Bam! Whoa! Woohoo! Uh-oh, more snow. This could be. Uh-oh, this is not smart. All right, we're backing up. This is not good. Due to the snow, it looks like we found our lunch spot, guys. Now that lunch is done, we're gonna take a little photo here because yeah, it's gorgeous. So here's another little tip, and you guys are gonna laugh at me, but I don't even care. I don't care. When you're coming out to take photos, it's always good to bring a couple other little things to change so that, you know, you can get more bang for your buck, you know, a few more photos for the trip. So I just threw on this denim jacket over my hoodie. So we're gonna do, you know, portrait style here, portrait mode on the camera, but also the orientation of the frame, and see if we can get me right in here, you know, like right there with that backdrop. Got the timer set up. So it's just as simple as that, you guys. I know some of this stuff sounds funny. It's easy to make fun of with the, you know, change of clothes and setting up a camera to take pictures of yourself. But honestly, these are the tools that I've used to be able to document my adventures over the years, all the places I go. It is an adventure, and if you're into photography, stuff like this can just be really, really fun. And for all of you adults out there, you can bring a beer along, because when you're out in the middle of nowhere, what better place to enjoy, you know, a nice tasty brew. Cheers, guys. We got some good shots here, and I think our next stop is going to be the desert. We still haven't found our perfect desert location. Okay, we have done it. Check it out. We're in the desert, and we are not far from Wrightwood and the mountains. What do you want? We were in snow, we were in mountains, we were in the forest, and now we're in the desert. And we started by the beach. So if that's not the California dream, I don't know what is. So let's finish this thing out strong and get a few more shots. Really good shots here and all over the place today. And so learning how to do this setup on your own is a really, really good tool to be able to get out, have fun, and document it in the process. We're gonna hop back in the mobile apartment. We're gonna cruise out of the desert, back up into the mountains because we gotta go through there anyway. And let's end this thing by taking in a beautiful view back up in the snow. Let's go. We're back. Let's find a spot to post up, take in the view, and end this vlog. All right, you guys, that is gonna do it for this episode of The Pursuit is Happiness. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something, maybe about taking photos by yourself or taking them on your phone, or maybe you learned something about beautiful Southern California. I mean, isn't it crazy how many different environments we have so close to one another. It just blows my mind every single time. Many more adventures coming your way, and I'm just so humbled by your support. And yeah, if you haven't yet subscribed, make sure you do that. Comment, like the video. It really, really helps out. But I hope you're having an amazing day wherever you're at. And yeah, see you guys later.